Aerospace and Defense Engineering Training, Tonex Training. Aerospace and Defense Engineering Training courses by Tonex are blends of science and engineering practices and ideas that are required to make common, business and military flying machine and rocket. As a rule, defense implies gear, support, and correspondence frameworks covering the land fighting, and additionally the surface warships and submarines. Tonex plans to cover all zones of aerospace and defense engineering that is connected in these fields. Aerospace and defense engineering, from the systems engineering perspective. Due to the broad definition of systems engineering, any area that contains more than two elements that have an interaction with each other can be called a system. Therefore, aerospace and defense engineering can perfectly be placed under systems engineering. Generalized components. Environment. Subsystems with associated functions or processes. Inputs and outputs. Essence of systems engineering. The customer does not realize the problem, and should not. The metric notion is very complicated. Effective approaches are goal-oriented, not a technology-oriented or chronological. Bystanders should be considered. There is often confusion among the decision-making roles. Systems life cycle. Concept development. Preliminary design completion. Final design and construction. System assembly. Integration and test. Launch. Operations. Closeout. Defense engineering. Air domain. Ground attack. Tactical bomber. Naval patrol. Battleground surveillance. Airborne early warning. Electronic combat. Photographic inspection. Troop, materiel transport. Unmanned air vehicles.
List of aerospace and defense engineering training and courses, total 37 course. Advanced Do 178C Training Workshop. Price, $3,999 Length, 4 days. Advanced Link 16 Training. Price, $2,999 Length, 3 days. Aerospace Systems Engineering Training. Price, $2,499 Length, 3 days. Applied Systems Engineering for Logisticians. Price, $3,999 Length, 3 days. Rank 429 Training. Price, $1,899 Length, 2 days. ARP 4754A Training, Civil Aircraft and Systems. Price, $2,450 Length, 3 days. ARP 4761 Training Safety Assessment Guidelines. Price, $1,699 Length, 2 days. Avionics Systems Engineering Crash Course. Price, $3,999 Length, 4 days. Combat Systems Engineering Crash Course, Part 2. Price, $2,999 Length, 3 days. Combat Systems Engineering Training Part 1. Price, $2,999 Length, 3 days. Defense Demilitarization Program Course, DDPC. Price, $2,999 Length, 3 days. Do 160G Training. Price, $1,699 Length, 2 days. Do 178 and DO 254 Avionic Training Bootcamp. Price, $3,999 Length, 4 days. Do 178 Training, DO 178C, DO 254. Price, $3,999 Length, 4 days. Do 178C Training Crash Course. Price, $3,999.90 Length, 4 days. Do 178C training workshop. Price, $2,499. Length, 3 days. Do 200A Do 200B processing aeronautical data. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Do 254 design assurance of airborne electronic hardware. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Do 254 training, avionics hardware. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Do 278A training, software integrity assurance. Price, $2,450. Length, 3 days. Do 297 training, IMA development guidance. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. EMC, ME training for aerospace. Price, $2,999. Length, 3 days. Intro to fiber optics and infrared sensors. Price, $2,999. Length, 3 days. Link 16 advanced training. Price, $3,999. Length, 4 days. Link 16 and mids training boot camp. Price, $4,999. Length, 5 days. Link 16 cybersecurity crash course. Price, $3,999. Length, 4 days. Link 16 training for managers. Price, $2,450. Length, 3 days. Link 16 training courses, tactical data link TDL. Price, $2,499. Length, 3 days. Link 22 training. Price, $1,999. Length, 2 days. MIL 1553 training, MIL STD 1553 training. Price, $1,799. Course number, 918. Length, 2 days. MIL 1760 training. Price, $1,699. Course number, 1760. Length, 2 days. Military Integrated Logistics Information System. Price, $2,999. Length, 3 days. Military Operational Capability Concept. Course number, 4,999. Length, 5 days. Phased Array Radar Systems Engineering Boot Camp. Price, $2,999. Length, 3 days. Radar Systems Design and Engineering Training. Price, $3,999. Length, 4 days. Supply Support Logistics Training Course. Price, $3,999. Length, 3 days. TTNT Training, Tactical Targeting Network Tech. Price, $1,999. Length, 2 days.
Why choose Tonex for your aerospace defense engineering training? Extensive experience in both aerospace and defense systems. Comprehensive courses. Trainings are mostly hands-on. Hands-on sessions include labs, practical exercises, and hands-on workshops. Examples and projects are chosen from real-world case studies. Experts in aerospace and defense engineering training. FAA, Aerospace and Defense Training Courses and Seminars, DO 178, DO 178C, DO 254, DO 278, DO 160G, Modeling and Simulations. Defense Technologies, Tactical Digital Information Link, TDIL. Tactical Data Link, TDL, Capabilities, Enterprise Architecture. Frameworks, DUTAF, SysML, Safety, EMC/ME, RF and microwave. Communications, SATCOM, SOT, SO, Systems Engineering and System of Systems Engineering, Aircraft, Ground Vehicles, Missiles and Guided Weapons, Missile Defense, Naval Systems, Radar Systems. Sensors and Situational Awareness, Tactical Communications, Training and Logistics, Transportation and Safety Management, Unmanned Systems, Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, UAV, and Unmanned Ground Vehicle, UGV, Systems Engineering. You should consider a defense engineering custom program. Any organization in the following technology fields should also consider a Tonex custom program to keep its workforce on the cutting edge. Aeronautics, Armaments and Energetic Materials, Biological, Biomedical, Chemical, Energy Systems, Electronics, Ground Systems, Lasers, Optics, and Sensors, Processing and Manufacturing, Marine Systems, Nuclear Systems, Positioning, Navigation, and Time, Information Security, Signature Control. Visit Tonex.com for more information.